Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change keybinds or controls on your Rocket League on PC. This tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. You can also do this on PS4 or PS5, so all you have to do is go to settings here. Then on settings you want to click on controls. Here you can change some settings like steering sensitivity, controller dead zone, mouse sensitivity, keyboard input acceleration time, and so on and so forth. But to change the keybinds, all you need to do is click on view change bindings, and to change it you just go ahead, choose the one you want to change. So for example, jump, you click on it and then you need to press any button to bind. So I'm going to click like space, and as you can see it has applied the one I clicked on. Now focus on the ball. You can also click on here and click on it, and that's how it works. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below and like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.